नमः।
Hello guys, welcome to Aditya 11T YouTube channel. Today I received this MD which is for dead condition. Okay, so this is HP motherboard which part number is LA-B171P. Okay, so when I checked this MBD physically, it was a burning case. Okay, it's a 19 volt line section, capacitor are burned. Okay, here you can see I have replaced them all, first, second, and here also one capacitor was there. Okay, so I replaced them all after clearing my shorting when I plug in DC. Okay, here you can see the DC light glows like this way, and the motherboard take this 0.005. okay, and whenever I try to trigger on MBD, it takes around only 0.040 amp. Okay, and goes off within 2-3 seconds or 5 seconds. Okay, so I will gonna show you something. Okay, so what supplies we are getting, first I will show you that. Okay. So as you can see, this is our 5 volt coil, this is our 3 volt coil. Okay, and whenever I press my power button, this is our 1.35 coil RAM supply, it's okay. And this is our PCH supply which is also okay, 1.05. okay, and this is our 1.5 supply. Okay, so let's check its VCC core supply. Okay, see, when I trigger MBD, no VCC core supply. Okay, so I start checking its VCC core IC requirements. Okay, so IC location is PUZ1. We will search in schematic PUZ1. okay, so this is a PUZ1. If I tell you, pin number 8 is our VR on. Okay, and pin number 28 is 5 volt input. Okay, and pin number 2 is 3 volt VS input. First we will check its input supplies. Okay, so pin number 28 first. Okay, so this is a pin number 24, 26, 27, 28, and you can see here it's getting proper 5 volt supply. Pin number 2, where it is, pin number 2, it's also getting proper supply. Okay, 3.41. okay, let's check its pin number 8 supply VR on, whether it's getting or not. Pin number 8. okay, pin number 8, 0 supply. Okay, so let's check from where this VR on is coming. So VR on is coming from CPU only. So first we will check its another supply which is VR ready. Okay, so VR ready, we will search, backtrace it. So it again came back to VCC core supply IC. So it's, this register is unavailable in our motherboard. Okay, so we go back again to that section and check another supply, this VCC ST power board, this one, this is 1.05 PG. If you backtrace it, it's coming from U16. Okay, so where is our U16? Here. Okay. U16 pin number 4. Okay, pin number 4 is our 1.05 VS power board. Okay, so we'll check motherboard whether this supply is coming or not. U16 pin number 4, this is a pin number 4. Okay, so pin number 4, if I press power button, there is no supply. See, motherboard taking same amp. Okay, and if you look here, no supply, pin number 4. Okay, so it's pin number 2 which is power good. I think this is all power good, so we will check its pin number 2 also whether it's coming or not. So here it is our pin number 2. Okay, so its pin number 2 is also missing. First we will backtrace this power good from where it is generating. 05 power board. Okay, so we will check this IC requirement. Okay, so according to comparator IC we need output here na, so this voltage pin number 3 voltage should be higher than pin number 2. We will check in motherboard both pins, pin number 2 and pin number 3. Okay, so here is our comparator IC. Okay, so pin number 2 of comparator IC having 1.19 voltage, and pin number 3 supply will come after power on. So we will trigger on motherboard. See, after triggering on motherboard, it's only having 0.32, and its pin number 1 having 0.06, which is connected with power, all system power good. Okay, so here we need supply through which our 1.05 power good which will be released by that logic IC, and it will go to CPU which will release its VR on supply. Okay, so for checking purpose, what I am going to do, in this 3 volt VS pin number 2 to pin number 1, let's check what will happen. Okay, look at the DC supply. See, I have put a tweezer. Now we'll look at DC supply. See, now our amp increases. Okay, after putting tweezer, our motherboard is tried to get on. See, okay, and if I tell you its VCC code supply is also generating at that time. Here is the multimeter. Okay, see, after putting tweezer and power good register pin number 2 to pin number 1, I am getting my VR on supply. Okay, but still it's not enough. Okay, so as I told you, I already solved this case. Actually it's a problem of leakage. Okay, so how I find it, see, look here, this comparator IC is connected with all 3-4 ICs power good line. Okay, so what I do, I start removing this register R550 1.5 volt power good, DDR power good, and 1.05 power good. I shift all these 3 register to pin number 1. Okay, so my pin number 2 will be empty. So at last what I found, after removing this 1.5 volt register, this comparator IC is getting proper enable. Okay, means it, our input pin number 3 having proper supply. Okay, so we'll gonna show you. See, this is our 1.5 volt resistor. Now I am going to shift this resistor to pin number 1. See, as you can see here, I have already shifted this register, okay, from pin number 2 to pin number 1. Okay, now let's check MBD. See, look at DC supply. See, after removing that register, my motherboard is taking good amp. And if you want to see display, yeah, board is getting properly on giving display. So my 1.5 volt IC is faulty maybe, so I have disconnected its power good register. After that motherboard is getting properly on. Thank you so much.
So if you want to get the knowledge on BIOS modding, you can just purchase our Hindi edition. All the videos are available already, and along with that there are many case studies as well as some videos theoretically on impedance and voltages are also there. With the help of DSO, how you can check the motherboard are also included on this videos. The complete package is of around 40 plus videos. You can, if you like, you can just purchase them. It is a full of knowledge. You can enjoy the videos, and it is 100% money back videos. Your money will not be wasted for that. So if you like to join our BIOS and schematics group, you can also contact us for joining that. As well as we also have a training program of laptop chip level, advanced level. If you like to join that, you can also come and join that. So thanks for watching Aditya 111 Triple T YouTube channel. If you like our channel, do hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. Thanks a lot.